everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and in this video we're going to do a flip through of my brand new digital notebook from the coffee and paper collection. So here we have the beautiful cover, and if we flip here we have the notebook. So as you can see, this is a more neutral color scheme full of rich browns and beautiful beiges and some very tasteful flower detailing. So this is the home page right here where you can write your name in the middle, and we also have some links at the bottom. The first link is to go to sign up to my mailing list, where you can get some free monthly stickers directly to your inbox every month. The second link is to visit my shop if you're interested in getting more stuff. And the last link is to contact me by email if you have a question about anything or need help with anything at all. Well, next, let's go to the index. Right, so here you can write whatever is going on for you in these sections. We have 15 subjects in this notebook, and you can write here, and they are also hyperlinked. So that is your index. Next, we have an empty sticker page. As you can see, I already pasted some of the free stickers that come with this planner on this page for quick use. So you can very easily lasso these, copy them in your pages. I decided I'm personally going to use this notebook as a daily journal this year in 2021. So that's why I copied these dates here to help me. I'm going to show you all of the stickers that come for free with this planner. So they are all matching stickers. Here we have the first page. There are some sticky notes with matching color and little paper texture. Here we have some little washies and banners, dots and speech bubbles, some icons, boxes, arrows, and months at the bottom. I know that this brown isn't necessarily the most exciting thing to look at, but it matches with the planner. Here we have some bill due and rent and appointment stickers, and some dates and numbers here that can help you if you wish to use this as a journal, for instance, as I am. So let's go back here to the journal. The next link here we have is the templates index. So here we have all of the extra templates that come with this planner, the different paper types that you can copy in all of your tabs. So let's just go to the first one, and then we're just gonna go flip through them. So this is here your decorated lined template. So very, very beautiful template to write. It's very pleasant to use, and this is why the stickers that came with it were dark brown, so they can stand out against this lighter parchment brown. Here you have a decorated title page that you can use, an empty page, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and some very cute index cards that you can use for whatever. I like to use these specifically for recipes myself. This is a plain version of the pages as well. So you have a plain lined, a plain title page, empty, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and the cards. Right, we also have some alternate covers. So this is alternate cover number 1. And number 2, and I think this is it. Yep, here we go to the tabs. So each one of these tabs on the side is number and linked, and they're beautifully decorated. They have like this little paper texture going on and the beautiful flowers. So you can go directly to the tab and then add your pages in. So I'm going to show you some of what's possible to do. I've already started doing my journal, as I said, so I pasted the word January here. The others are still blank, so you can write whatever you like. I wrote January because I'm using it as a journal. And here I use the grid paper to start my journaling. I use the stickers to put in the date and some of the date stickers that also come with this collection, and just started writing. And yeah, it's going really well so far. I'm liking the journaling, and I'm really liking using this notebook to do it. So yeah, this is it for this digital notebook. If you like it and would like to get it for yourself, I will put a link in the description where you can go purchase it from my store. Thank you for being here, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.